Yo, welcome back to my new vlogs, guys. So on today's vlog, I'll vlog in and around my village. I'll just give you a quick view of my village. I'll show you what we do and how we stay. So without further delay, let's take a roll. Come on. So this is how our compounds look like. Let's take a view. Here we have garden. We go over there, and here is our house, and this is our compound. I'll just show you the whole thing. My aunt's house, and let's go here. Okay, so this is our main gathering spot. Any kind of meeting can be held here. Compound. It's a summer, so time pass. So I think it's quite clean, though it's summer now. Otherwise these different kind of plants will be growing here and there. It's a raw vlogging, okay? It's a raw vlogging. So this way leads to the local ground as well. Yeah, and this way leads to the main village. Let's roll here. Let's roll here. So that is Baptist Revival Church Kijümetouma, and so we are heading towards my church. So this is it. This is Nagaland Pentecostal Church Kijümetouma. It locates on center of our village. This is a prayer meeting hall, and here's the compound. Let's take a quick view. Better map as well. Let's take a quick view of our village. So it's a summer, so the grass are just too much in the ground. That is our local ground, but it's covered with different kind of. Okay, so that the reddish one. Yes, this is Baptist Church Kijümetouma Village. From there we can see some villages as well. Okay, so let's go up here. This portion are the center area of our village, and from here we can see some portion of the village. So let's take a quick view. Yes, and this is called dahu. We call it in our language dahu. This dahu is made in remembrance of our late former teacher. So this is St. Peter Catholic Church Kijümetouma, and it's risky. So this is the village, but we can't see all. Yeah, we can only see some few portion of our village from here. But anyhow, I hope you can see some part. Let's see. Just take the weather is very calm and so very peaceful. Okay, so let's take a quick view from here as well. Those animals, can you see? Those it's a kind of tradition to hang those animal skulls behind in front of our door. So that's it. Yeah, the gamblers. This house is bamboo craft house. The gambler. Let's take a quick view.
Smile.
Here.
Phát đầu. Cho nó. Ghê đúng đấy.
Medal Satio here. Num Jose. Yeah. He got a good body shape. He is a wrestler. So the audience are here. For those who want to train bamboo craft things, this house is made for that purpose. And for the time being, people used to gather there and had a different kind of meetings. And so let's take another view. The weather is very calm. Let's take a roll here. Like a roll. So that way leads to our local ground. Come. The cutie. Saying that is the tradition. See, in every house you'll find that kind of skull, animal skull, hanging above this house. So can you see those portions are new village, Basa village, and Basa village means new village and Bawe means old village. I'll take you there someday. I know every shortcut of our village because it's my village. Halkipido. This is the village life, village. That's our local ground. Halkipido. That's it. Okay, so that way leads to our low ground, and this portion will heading towards this, and this way leads to our east part of our village. So let's look around. Okay, so here we come. Okay, so let's take a quick view how people are rearing pigs. So I guess this portion are the place where people are rearing pigs. See? As you can see. Okay, here we go. I like the way where they rear pigs. The place is very good. Due to lockdown, some pigs are already gone, as you can see. And this way leads to our water tank. During winter, people used to carry water from there. So this is the middle area of our village. Middle area. Badamo. Na am hari hitu le. Na. Badamo. Oh. So I think this place is quite beautiful. So we have one shop here. The other shop is down part. Just take. This place is very clean and peaceful. Bye bye, baby. सिगोम कंपनी जा रहा है अभी तो यहाँ okay. Oh, huge. we in Nagamis, I think it's called Iripukana. Oh, plenty, eh? This is not mine. See, wow, plenty. Yeah, this is very tasty as well. These are just they are selling this. Oh, it's huge here. That's it. It's gold. Told you guys, so this is a kind of a tradition where we hang the animal skull. So there is different kind of this skull. Wild boar, I guess. These types are wild boar. These and these are there, and this is herd and Kadoa. So you will find this kind of hanging skull in every part, in every household of our village, because this is a kind of tradition. Okay, so this area are my colony. Our colony name is Saku's colony, and I'll just give a quick view on how we stay and how we maintain our compounds and all. Just have a look around. So here is my cousin's house.
Hello.
Hello. What are you doing? Phone. Addicted to phone. And my auntie cutting this. Hello. Very interesting. We just live this way. It's a village, pure village. So okay guys, so that's the end of today's vlogs, and that was the quick view of our village, Kijümetouma Village, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Until then, stay safe, and yes, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you and peace out.